Hi, I'm Chad, the creator and co-founder of chadagency.ai, and I'm excited to give you a quick glimpse into what the platform can do. As you can see here on our homepage, we have a detailed overview about the platform. It's easy to start a free trial. You can book a demo with me, explore all of the things that the platform's capable of, and see our pricing. Our free trial is very generous. You can easily take 1 to 2 ideas through the platform in the free version. So let's start there. It's easy to log in. You can either use Google or LinkedIn or your email. If you use your email, we'll send you a 6-digit code that's your one-time password. Once you've logged in, you'll be brought to your dashboard. Here you can see that you can start with an idea or a problem. If you start with an idea, just enter the business idea or product feature below, add any documents that you want to upload and have the AI consider, and it'll go from there. If you start with a problem, let's say you're an executive and you've got an idea around, or you know that there's a problem with the process and the procedure around mammography, and you want to get an idea down on paper with some initial thoughts and then send it to your team. So here we'll enter that our industry is healthcare and that there's a issue or a problem with mammography around anxiety, pain, and women's health. You click generate options, the AI will use its vast knowledge and training to go out and come up with 3 solutions for you to review. Okay, here's our 3 solutions. The first is pain reduction through technology innovation. And so you can see that the solution direction to develop advanced compression technologies, alternative imaging methods like automated breast ultrasound or MRI, or pain management protocols. The second is anxiety management and patient communication, to implement a comprehensive patient education program, anxiety management protocols. I feel like that's been tried before. And then a personalized experience based on individual sensitivity. And so you can see different breast density, pain tolerance, anatomical variations resulting in unnecessary discomfort. This sounds right. Develop an AI-driven personalization system that adjusts compression force and positioning based on individual patient characteristics. I like this one, so we're going to select it. And when we click generate idea, it'll get sent to our AI agents. They'll package the request. They'll go out to multiple models and get feedback. And then they'll summarize the idea into a detailed overview that you'll see in a second. And here we are. Comfort Mam AI, a comprehensive personalized mammography solution that addresses the critical problem of standardized screening protocols causing excessive discomfort and procedural failures. It's identified 4 target markets: women aged 40 plus with regular mammography screenings, radiologic technologists and healthcare facilities, medical device manufacturers, and insurance providers. Sounds right to me. It's identified key features: real-time feedback, adaptive equipment, AI-driven personalization, quality assurance dashboard, patient preparation protocol. These all sound great. And again, it's identified some challenges too. So in summary, the product revolutionizes screening by replacing standardized protocols with personalized approaches that reduce patient discomfort, eliminate 60% of repeat screenings, and improve compliance rates. Well, let's not assume that we're going to eliminate those 60%. So you can see that anywhere on this page, I can make edits so that it is exactly as I want it to be. Remember, we said that we're an executive and we want to share this idea with our team to get them started. So what we can do is click the share button and we can enter their emails one at a time. We can choose if they're a viewer where they can't make changes or an editor where they can. Once we click share, you'll see that they're added to the list. You can always remove them later, and they've been sent an email notifying them that the idea has been shared with them. If you want to check out anything else that Chat Agency can do, it's over here in the left navigation. You can see that we've got a lot of very, very cool options. I particularly like the innovation section because it not only looks at competitors, but it looks at adjacent technologies and adjacent companies to improve your idea. I'd encourage everyone to start a free trial, ask any questions, send us any feedback, and we look forward to sharing more with you in the future.